Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Olympia SM-3 on the bench. Have made a few repairs on this machine. So I put in the new rubber spacers back here. Repaired the return index ratchet arm, was not going far enough. Repaired that. Repaired the shift balance motion. Got that so it's lined up and ring and cylinders all lined up, and adjusted these stops here, and also adjusted the shift springs here. And now it's time to adjust another portion of the shift. So what we have here is shift lowercase, uppercase, but if I lock it, it's way out of whack. So you'll see how far out of whack it is. That should have locked down here with lower uppercase. So that's usually adjustable on most typewriters, including this one. This one has right under here so there's a shift lock. There's a little bracket right here for the shift lock, and if you look in here carefully, you can see there's two little screws right there and there that will let that bracket be adjustable. I noticed already this top screw, the backspace here, whatever button this is here, interferes with the access to that screw. But it's loose anyhow. Let's get the other one loose. Okay, so I want to adjust this bracket downward. Let's see how far it goes. It doesn't go any further. Oh, no, it does. Oh, it's rubbing into the spacer here. Let me cut this off here. Okay. Let's see what this. How far down I can adjust this. I'm going to go as far as it's going to go because it was pretty far out of whack. Looks like that's about it. Right there. Let's see if I can. Yeah, that's as far as it wants to go. Let me tighten this up and see if it made any difference. If not, we'll have to think outside the box somehow or another. It worked. It just needed to be adjusted. So those are all with the shift button and then with the shift lock button. So it worked. Just adjusted it as far as it went down, and that was the proper adjustment. I'm just going to tighten up those screws super tight, and that's going to do it for this video. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.